everyone, this is Amin Samil Alam and my teammates are Dipto Dash and Polak Shah. So our project is to make a encryption table using microcontroller. So this is our given data table. At first we have to create our KMaps through online servers. So we have created this four KMaps through the online servers, and then we have got this equation for our O0 and this equation for our O1, this equation for our O2 and this equation for our O3, which are basically we will use in the Arduino Uno. So let's go to the Arduino IDE. So at Arduino IDE we have first initiate the input and output value. Here we have selected the pin 10, 11, 12, 13 as our O0, 1, O2 and O3 input, and we have selected the 2, 3, 4, 5 input as our I0, I1, I2 and I3 output. After that we have to set up the pin mode where the pin modes are basically the Arduino pin mode, which will be connected to the our Proteus software. So here we have initiate I0, I1, I3, I4 and O0, O1, O2, O3 a pin mode, and after that we have created a loop where we have initiated the all our four KMaps here, O0, O1, O2 and these are my O3. So after that we have written a digital write where it will write the codes to the Arduino Uno, and then it will check the boolean values through reading the values. Then it will read the value and show us the output. So let's go to the Proteus software. So as in our Proteus software, Arduino Uno is not our default library, so we have to first import it. After importing it, we have select this and just paste here. So we will not paste here now because we have already built this. So here this is our Arduino Uno, and we have used 4 output resistor and 4 input resistor. We have used 330 ohm as our output resistor. We can use more than 330 ohm because if we use more bigger value in the resistor output, then our LED will not work properly. Hence we should always use less resistor value to work the LEDs properly. On the other hand, we have used 4 resistor which in the output section, which are 10k resistor. It is basically to stop the overflow from the Arduino where it is coming from, and after that we have used 4 switches which will basically show us the value what we are needing. So after that we have connected all this to ground, and input also ground and power section. And here you can see input 10 is initially connected to O0, input 11 is connected to output O0, O1 is connected to O1, and 12 is connected to O2, and 13 is connected to O3. So we already have initiated on the Arduino IDE. Here you can see O0, O1, O3, O4 similarly input values. So yeah, that is. And now let's import the hex file. So here we have to verify this. Let's compile it. It's completely compiled. So here we get the hex file. Let's copy the hex file. Sorry, let's copy. Yes, we have copied the hex file. Now we have to import this in the Proteus software. After importing, we can find the values correctly because we have already imported the KMaps. So it is running. Yeah, surely it is already run. So here you can see all switches are in 0 portion, and it shows the value 1 0 1 1. So let's check the table. So here is our input 0 0 for 1 0 1 1. Let's check for 1 1 1 1. So 1 1 1 1. It shows us the value 0 1 0 0. So let's check again. So here you can see 1 0 0 1 0 0. So let's another section where you can see 1 0 0 1 1. So let's check 0 0 1. So basically 0 0 1 1 will be shown here. So 0 0 1 1, let's find it. Well, it is more difficult, so let's check another one. So 1 0 0. So it says 1 1 0 1. So here 1 0 0, it says 1 0 1 1. Yeah, it is the whole process, and we have completed the software part, and my other teammates will show the Logisim part and the hardware part. So that's it from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Pulak Shaha. So we implemented these 4 equations to make a circuit for our project using basic gates in Logisim, and this is the circuit we built from these equations. So this is the I0, I1, I2, I3 are the inputs, and O0, O1, O2, O3 are the outputs, and we used AND gate, OR gate, and or NOT gate to make this circuit. So if we see the outcome of the circuit from the truth table of our project, so this is the truth table. So if we input these values, so 0 0 1 1, the output will be 1 0 1 1. So let's see this in the circuit. So 0 0 1 1, so the output will be 1 0 1 1. So see this 0 0 1 1 and 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. And if we see another example, okay, let's take this one. So these are the inputs. So the input is 1 1 0 0, the output will be 1 0 1 0. So let's take these values in the circuit. So 1 1 0 0, the output will be 1 0 1 0. So let's check. So output will be 1 0 1 0, and the output is 1 0 1 0. So we can say that our circuit is working properly. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, this is Dipto. Now I am showing the hardware part of our project. Here we use 4 LEDs to show the output, and we use 4 switches to give the input. In the Arduino, we use pin number 2 to 5 as an input pin, and pin number 10 to 13 in our output as a output pin. And we connected the 5-volt pin and the ground pin with the breadboard. Also we connected all the LEDs negative leg with the ground of the Arduino. Here we use 4 330 kilo ohm resistors in our output side to control the overflow of the voltage, and here we use 4 10 kilo ohm resistors in our input side. Here the resistors, one leg is connected with the 5-volt and switch in series, and another leg is connected with the ground. To build the switch, here the one leg is connected with the 5-volt and another leg is connected with the breadboard. Now I connect the Arduino with my computer. The Uno is turned on. I already imported the Arduino code. Now let's see the output. I only show the 2 output. Here we can see that if all the input is 0, then only the output number 2 is 0. Then let's see. it is 0 0 0 and 0. So here we can see that only LED 2 is off. So here we can see that the output 2 is 0. Now I am showing the another one. If I see the last one, if the input is 1001, then only number 3 output is 1. Then 1 0 0 1. So here I can see that the LED 3 is 1 and other is 0. So here I can see that only number 3 output is 1 and others are 0. So we can say that our project is working fine. Thank you.